Good morning. It is race day here at Valentine Valley. We're round 7 of the TriStar MX Championship. Had a little bit of drama yesterday. We had a lady accidentally run over our transponder cable with her pit bike and ball it all up in her rear wheel and snap the cable. So we're kind of scrambling right now. We went to Lowe's trying to find these fittings for it. It's a proprietary cable from MyLabs. It's like $700 cable. So we got Justin, one of our partners. He owns Axiom Performance. He's trying to repair our cable, and yesterday he's like, oh man, you know, I'll just make him a new cable, not realizing that there's a proprietary line where it splits. So now we're scrambling today trying to figure out how we can fix this cord so that we have transponders for the race. Other than that, we got about 2.5 inches of rain last night. They're working on the track right now. It looks really good. There are a couple spots where water is standing, so they're getting that off the track, and we should have a really good day of racing today. Pretty pumped, looking forward to it, and we're ready to go.
Yeah, because it's ready, it's raceable.
We're just worried about the little kids.
Yeah, if you run big bikes first and get the little guys will see the lines. I mean, that area with all the sand and mulch, I mean, it's just, they got to hammer through it.
Started, man. First gate drop of the day. Excited. Track's gonna shape up super nice. We got some water on this, a little bit on the west side to start. Track's gonna be awesome, but nothing like the first gate drop of the day. Super excited. 30-second board. They lining up. We about to roll, baby.
Like these speed ups are going down everywhere. They're like boing, boing, boing. Yeah, I wish I could ride, but you know, in these conditions, I'm glad to be flagging right now, turn people on. I never get the chance to.
These little dudes are battling some conditions out here. They're racing each other, but really they're racing the track. Dude, it is awesome.
I mean, for this kind of condition, like, they're going fast. So we're at intermission. Just got through the first set of motos. Some good racing, actually. The track is a little bit gnarly for the smaller bikes. Big bikes having some issues, but not bad. It's pretty much perfect for the big bikes, I think. It would be, in my opinion. Seen some great crashes, if there's a such thing. Dude, these little kids they're trooping it out, man. They're not only racing each other out here, they're racing the track because the track is gnarly. But, you know, that's Moto. You know, rains, you got the track prep, rains, you make the most of it. And the days went pretty good, actually. We've had, I know you've seen where we've had the transponder cable got wrapped in a pit bike and tore in half. So, you know, as soon as we dropped the gate, first set of motos, we realized that transponders aren't counting, you know, so we had to do some things there, get that all fixed, got that fixed, got back into the motos, took a small intermission here, and we're about to get wrapped up, but the first set of motos went really good. They, in my opinion, went a good, timely fashion. Gonna get back out there and get at it.
Like every time I get next to you, we were in the turn already.
You were getting.
And I was like,
you're getting close to me. I can
dag
hear you.
nabbit.
That was a great ride, though, man. That was a really good pass up there.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, it's pretty slick out there, but I'd like to thank my sponsors.
All right, so that's the end of the race. We had to call the last 8 motos actually, because it just got a little too greasy out there. We tried as long as we could. The rain wouldn't hold out. So we're gonna be trucking on to round 8, and that's at Aston's. That'll be in about 3 weeks. We'll have the Ryan Sipes Combine for the second one, and then hopefully the rain will hold out finally, and we'll get some good racing. But subscribe, like, comment below, let us know what you think, and we'll see you guys at Aston's.